Okay, I believe I have achieved Feng Shui in the roomie. And just want to give you one last look. This will be the last time you'll be seeing this Holiday Inn Express Escape Getaway. You know, Holiday Inn Express and all you other hotels, you should consider lowering your prices for more traffic, because we can just stay home after they open back up the world. I mean, we'll go back to work and all that and get the stupid shots if that's the way the thing has to work. But there is no reason we can't create our own pineapple apps and say, okay, I have a room or 3 rooms. Some rooms will be smoking, non-smoking. I'm in a non-smoking house. If you're a couple and you want to have sex in my house, that's fine. But don't get crazy and be too noisy. I don't care. Sex is good. We like sex. It's what creates people. So why would I give up the right to create people? I don't know what the next video will be. Kind of just hoping that we can keep, pushing along and getting the truth and the knowledge. Because without knowledge, what's that saying in the Bible? My people die for a lack of knowledge. So, yeah, that was a lover I had way, way back when. That's my Jeppo Jinx. Hope she's doing well. Hope she's got everything she wanted out of life. And I can see many things were denied me because I had to become the oracle for the end of an age and go through everything I went through so I could, talk about the world we live in. And this is just kind of my little world. This is all I need. A little heater when it's cold and a little AC when it's not too hot. And excuse me, vaping oils. Got to be careful of those. And I just kind of want to give you a little, this is my sanctuary, or you could say this is my abode. And there's my wife, wonderful girl, little Debbie. She died. It was hard having to take care of someone for over a year, and the last 3 months got really brutal, but she did die not fearing going to hell, because I explained to her my beliefs that how could God send you to hell when he knows everything you've been through. And just gonna kind of play with the stuff so you can see everything. Yeah, there's my pimping shoes. Wicked Witch of the West or whatever. She dead now. That's my wizard shoes. And just hope you guys are doing well. This is kind of just to let you see you can make your homes into beautiful little rooms for people. There doesn't have to be anybody homeless. You can make a room and you can have them fix it up. Say, hey, I'll help you get some money and I will let you fix up your room. So you don't have to be, without love, without memories, without someone to care about you. Because that's the way the world works. Touch, connection, enjoyment, traveling, seeing things. So I'm drinking my hot Gatorade. See it? Gatorade in a tea bag. I like the lemon zinger best so far. But I will try other different versions. And no, I don't drink crazily. Who wants to drink crazily? Not me. And I just get in the bed. Excuse me. I always seem to have a problem in the morning with the stuff in the air. And this is just kind of how I hang for right now when I'm not on the road out there driving with everyone else saying, fuck the U.S. government, fuck the UN flag. Because the U.S. government is just one more UN flag, so it's not my flag. And the Georgia flag and the 50 state flags for our America need to come back onto our police officers, our National Guards and Coast Guards that are the militias demanded by the Second Amendment in the U.S. Constitution. And since these people say that we don't have any Constitution, then we don't have a president. Because if there's no Constitution for the president to represent, we're a lawless society. We're a lawless people. And you know what? I'm okay with that, as long as I got some love in my heart. Peace.